Have you ever wondered what sort of apartment you can get for $25 in the city centre of Gdansk? Well, wonder no more. I'm about to show you exactly what your money gets you. Right, so normally I start in the hallway, but since the living room was the room I was in anyway, I thought let's just start there. That's the main bit, right? So here we go. Christmas has passed, but there's still a Christmas tree, which I don't mind. I don't mind. You get yourself a nice big telly, which I've been here a few days now. I can confirm has all the channels you would want it to have. Netflix, YouTube, all the good stuff. Lots of good Polish channels as well, I'm sure, although I don't understand a word anybody was saying. If you're a big fan of good lighting, this is pretty much the perfect living room for you. And you could probably hear by how echoey my voice is, the ceilings are really, really high. I'm sure you'll agree, it's a very, very nice living room. The only thing that sort of fills me with an impending sense of dread is that, I don't know, no, I'm not going to touch that. It could be somebody's baby batter. Well, either, I don't know what that is, but it's not mine, and I will not be taking the blame for it. So, apart from that, all good. Before I take you into the hallway, give you another wee look. Look at that. Massive living room, pretty much everything you could want in a living room. Right, well, there you go. Come out into the hallway here, and they've thought of absolutely everything. These are going to be very, very useful because the weather here is mental. But then we're Scottish, we expect that, don't we? Please lock the door from the inside. Don't worry. That's not going to be a problem. Okay. Got ourselves some nice storage space. A wee Clay's horse. Well, I won't be using that hoover, but it's nice to know they've thought of it, at least. And of course, the iron. There's nothing worse than when you're panicky about whether they've got an iron or not. Ah, there we go. Just a wee reminder where you are, if you ever did forget. Right. And in here we've got the kitchen. Now, I do like a spacious kitchen, a clean looking kitchen, and that's exactly what this place has got. Now, as you might have noticed, and this is a common theme in a lot of these places I've noticed myself, there's no oven, which means the amount of food we can cook inside is kind of limited, although to be fair, there's a microwave, there's a hob, and food here is not that expensive to buy when you're out and about, so it's not the end of the world. And thankfully, there's a washing machine as well. There very often is washing machines, but unlike a lot of other countries in Eastern Europe, this one's actually in the kitchen. Maybe it's just a Balkan thing that they have them in the bathroom. I don't know. But aye, pretty much everything you could want. They even gave us coffee and, you know, that horrible every other type of flavour of tea apart from normal tea thing that they do in the East. But never mind, it's the thought that counts. And we have some complimentary wee sweeties. I'm going to nab one of them now, actually. There we go. Maya's Flats and Resorts. That's the booking people we did it with. They've got a bunch of information on the wall there for you. Dear guests, please keep quiet after... wow, that's easy to say. Please keep quiet at night. Form 10 PM to 6 AM. Ah, okay, so it wasn't my fault. Well, I mean, it kind of was, but I'm blaming them for the typo. Please respect and don't disturb our neighbours. That's absolutely fine. I can appreciate that. I can absolutely get on board with that. But you should probably tell people on a Saturday night when they're standing outside at 4 in the morning screaming to do the same thing. But hey, alcohol does that to people. You may have noticed, whilst we're on the subject, that there is a cup of tea brewing away. And credit where it's due to the tea maker. I've never heard of them before, but they do produce a good tea. So, big up to Westminster Tea, the only good thing to ever come from Westminster. Is that political enough for you? Never mind. Right. So, good kitchen, spacious kitchen. Another wee look for you. You can't grumble at that, can you? It's got pretty much everything you want except an oven. Okay, the bathroom. Again, not bad. What more do you realistically want from a bathroom? It's got a place to shit, shower, and shave. Pretty much ideal. And there's even some complimentary soap there you can use, although I don't think I would touch that. I'll buy my own. Or, I did buy my own. It's just been packed away because I realised I haven't done a video yet, like a moron. I didn't want the place to look messy, so I tried to tidy up a wee bit. Something here I don't think of. Ah, see, look, they've even got a hairdryer. And a bowl with some suspect looking residue in it. Let's not get our fingerprints on that, just in case. And the washing basket. That wasn't full when we came here, of course. I said we have been here a few days before I realised I haven't actually showed you around the place yet. Like a muppet. But there you go. Just to prove that we do actually shower. Okay, well, my plan was to do one continuous shot of the place, but Courtney doesn't want to be in the video, and she's even more moody than I am today. So, I'll show you the bedroom in 1 second. Right, that's her away into the living room, so we can actually go in here now. There we go. I'm going to put this light on, don't know if I need it. No, not really, but I'll put it on anyway. Got yourself a bed. The bed is actually comfortable, I can confirm. It's a very comfortable bed. And, oh, this is difficult. A nice view of, well, a parking space area, a parking lot, as Americans would say. Yeah, not much to shout about there. It is what it is. And there's the bedroom. Got a nice wee picture on the wall, just to make you feel at home, apparently. And a random plant. You know, it's a nice idea, but the place is a bit, the place would have been doing without it. That said, I don't really have much appreciation for interior decor or whatever. And they've even branded their towels. So there you go. When we first walked in here, my initial thought was, wait a minute, there's a couple of drawers there and there, but where am I supposed to hang my clothes? But I showed you that, it was in the hallway. Bit strange, but it's not a big enough bedroom for it, and it's, you know, this space needed filling in. So, my clothes are all still in my bag. I haven't actually unpacked them yet, which is a bit bad of me, but yeah. There we go. I wonder what's in that box, actually. Ooh, no, it's not mine. It's not mine. They might try and charge me money or something. You've got your spare sheets up there. You've got your ironing, hoover and cleaning products down there. I honestly don't think they missed anything. Oh, that's going to be a problem, isn't it? Jesus. Oh, no. Right, well, I've messed that up. Aye. So, Truth be told, I don't think there's anything that's actually missing from this apartment. If you're coming to rent a place, there's certain things you require in order to be able to enjoy your stay, and they've thought of absolutely everything except the oven. The oven's the only thing that's missing. Aye, I'm quite happy with this place. Right, well, that's what you can get yourself in the city centre of Gdansk for €23, or around about $25.60. Not my most organised video, I'll admit, but you might have noticed it is the morning time, and I've kind of already explained to you how useless I am in the morning. So, I'll see you next time, when the video will almost definitely be in the afternoon.